hand.
What the heck?
Ready.
Yan yung sak. Wow! Ayan, nagpiprito na ako. Beans. Eto. Good morning, guys! Today is March 24 and again, late nyo po ito mapapanood na vlog. And yung mga bata, ayan, good morning, Kuya.
Good morning.
Good morning, San.
Good morning.
Good morning, Holly. So, hindi na namin sila pinapasok kasi kagabi, umalis si Jan and yun, yung mga kaibigan niya na may mga anak, and the same sa school nila, Kuya, hindi na nila pinapasok. Tapos, napag-usapan ata nila na, di ba yung nabanggit na namin na yung Victoria, tsaka yung border ng Victoria, tsaka ng South Australia ay magko-close ngayong hapon, ngayong Tuesday, alas 4. And wala na rin mga pasok sila. And then, merong case na malapit dito. Victoria na siya, pero malapit dito sa area namin. 2 hours away lang siya, drive, na meron ng case na, yun nga, yung virus na yun. So, natatakot na yung mga magulang din dito sa amin na papasukin pa yung mga bata. Kaya, kahit wala pang sinasabi ang government dito sa South Australia na hindi pa close yung school, yung mga magulang na iba tulad sa amin, pinull out na namin yung mga anak para, di ba, iwas. Kasi hindi natin alam kung sino ang meron. Kasi, di ba, yung mga case nga, kahit walang symptoms ng virus na yun, yung pala, positive sila. So, yun. So, kaya ngayon, ayan, ginagawa na nila yung homework nila. Si Kuya may dalawang homework, and si Holly, kunwari may homework din siya. Who? Okay. And si John, mamaya, tatawagan niya yung school and, yun nga, sasabihin niya na hindi na muna papasok yung mga bata for the meantime, and kung meron silang homework, kukunin na lang ni John sa school and dito na lang gagawin. And who's gonna be your teacher, Kuya?
Dad.
Daddy. And ako ang disciplinarian. Charot. Yes, Daddy will be the teacher for the meantime. Ha? Okay, saglit lang, guys. Turuan muna natin to kasi may tanong si Kuya. Ano yung Kuya? Si Kuya, ang ginagawa niyang homework ay yung math. You got it, Kuya? 12. Then, count backwards. 12, 11, 10, 9. Okay, 9. And then si Zach, sinusulat niya yung mga... Yes, Baba. Mga words.
I'm up to my last one.
Are you? And what are you doing, Baba? Stickers?
And for the Easter egg.
Ah, Easter eggs. Oh, mag-ano na,
Mom, it's gonna be the Easter egg for your sleigh.
Okay. Mag-ano na kasi, diba? Malapit. Good girl, Baba. Arte-arte niya. Gumaganyan talaga
I'm
siya.
still sick.
No, you're not sick, Baba. Knock on the wood. No, you're pretending. Don't. 1, 2, 3. Malapit na yung Easter. And, alam nyo ba, wala akong masyadong nakikita mga chocolates na pang Easter. Meron, pero hindi tulad ng dati na ang dami mong choices.
Mom, I'm done.
And you have to read.
Read?
Every?
I don't learn these words.
That's right. You are ahead. Kasi hindi pa to, pero tapos niya nang gawin yung homework niya. So, every, and what's this?
People.
What's this? Laugh. And this? Turuan muna natin to si Sa. Wait lang. What are you doing? What do you want for breakfast, Baba?
Fruit Loops.
Okay. Kunan ko muna to ng Fruit Loops. I'll be back. Sak. Kumuha na siya ng Yakult.
Mom, don't push it. Let us spill this.
I'm not gonna push you, Baba. Kuha tayo.
Did.
This one, love?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Mom.
Yes. You have $10. You buy 4 breadsticks. How much change do you receive? So, the bread is $2.10. And you bought, you bought 4 sticks. So you have to count. Do you have any extra paper to write?
Let's write. That's name for me.
Take a hit, take a hit, take another one. Hold your breath till it turns you on. Let your feet leave the ground, hold my hand and don't let go. take a trip, we can get away, lose ourselves and say anything that we want, it's okay, cause this is love. I don't care if it kills me. Love's all we need. This is love. Arms stretched out with the world below us. This is love. Could go up in smoke, but we never notice. It's got me slipping up. I just can't say it enough. This is love.
Kalimutan ko yung... Okay, wait. I'm just gonna give Holly... Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna give Holly Fruit Loops. Tinuruan ko muna si Kuya dun sa kanyang homework. Makalimutan ko na to. Are you done, Sak, with your homework?
I've done all of it.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Yung kay Holly. Ha? Si Sak magpo. Holly, get down, please. Magpo Fruit Loops na rin si... Holly, you gonna fall, my God. Here. Anong sasabihin? Si Sak naman. Stop, Holly.
I did something.
No, you're not. Sak, don't. Stop. Don't do that.
That's it.
Yung gatas namin, ayan na lang.
Where's my homework?
It's alright.
Cheese.
Paubos na yung gatas namin.
You have to write your name.
Saki boy. Kuya, how about you? You're right? Ay, naku ka, Sakari. Akala ko gusto ni Sakari. Gusto niya lang pala yung dry. Walang gatas. So, you can have this. Okay.
Yeah, I might have some now.
Huwag mo akong nilolokon. You want or what?
Yeah.
Ay, naku to si Sak. Kilala niyo si Sak, di ba? Ganyan si Sak. Paiba-iba yung isip. Bigay ko to si Barbie sa kanya. Okay, wait.
Soften.
Si Holly naman gusto niya malambot. Si Kuya ayaw niyang malambot. Barbie. Ayan, Kuya. Ayan, breakfast na sila. Yes, ano yun, Kuya? What? Okay, guys. Maging teacher muna tayo. Mamaya na lang ulit. Finish your breakfast, Holly, ha? Okay. This is done. They already checked this one. Okay. So, tapos na siya. And what's your next, Kuya?
It's your honor.
What is this one?
Write sentences.
Okay. Write sentences. Is this the one?
Yeah.
Okay. Write sentences. Tapos na kami sa math. Yan naman. Are you done, Sak? Si Sak kanina. Tapos ka na, ha? So, what are you doing? Is that the old one? Why are you erasing it? Baba, eat. Finish your breakfast, please. So, ito yung homework ni Kuya. Gagawa siya ng sentence. Pipili siya dito na dalawa. Tapos, gagawa niya ng sentence. And, gagamitin niya itong mga conjunction dito. Hindi ko alam kung makikita niyo. So, ayan. Ang pinili niya, midnight. Ayan, tapos na siya. Ang pinili niya, what did you choose? What words?
Lightning and midnight.
Lightning and midnight. So, i-cross niya na. Good job, Kuya. So, tapos na yung mga bata ng kanilang homework. And ako naman, Kuya, put this in your bag. Magaan ako, mag-i-edit. Anong oras na? 10 in the morning. Who's this? Holly, this is yours now, Baba. Put that in your room. Zach, who's this one? Is this yours? Old one? Oh, Holly, this is yours.
I don't want to.
Oh, yun.
Put it in the bin.
Put in the bin. Tidy it up, please. Hindi pa ako tapos mag-edit yung mga boys. And si Jan. Since wala sila, hindi sila pumasok. Wait, Baba. Ayan. Maglilinis daw sila dito. Dito sa labas. Where are you, Baba? Kinolekta na ng mga boys. Nilagay na yung mga 10 cents dito o na mga bottles. Ayan yung isa. And eto yung pangalawa. Eto, wala yan. Hindi yan 10 cents. Mga basura siya. Yun ang pinagkaabalahan nila pala kanina habang nag-e-edit ako. Yes, and ayan. Nagkikik na sila ng footy. Okay, Zach, go! Wow! That's high. Okay, Mommy's gonna edit, okay? I'm gonna continue my editing, okay? Kasi nandito naman si Jan. And yung mga sinampay ko, hindi pa siya ganun katuyo. Malamig kasi ngayon eh. Ilang araw na, hindi maganda yung araw din eh. What's that?
That's Tommy's up there.
You pull it?
Si Tommy daw nasa taas. Nililinis na nila to, oh. Yung fireplace.
Mom,
Yeah.
my Bible is a spinner.
Is it good? Let me...
That's oh, Mom, this is so good.
It's so good?
That, please, that good like this.
Yeah. And yung lunch nila, gusto nila, bread.
No, it's sprinkles.
What you gonna have? Ah, this one. Gustong-gusto to ni Sak. So, kasi gagamitin na rin to soon. So, kaya nililinis na rin ni Jan. Tsaka yung kanyang, si Tommy ba? Yung kapitbahay namin. Ayan. Ang dumi kasi na, oh. Tapos na sila ni Tommy maglinis ng, is that chimney, Han?
Yeah.
And tingnan nyo, ang dumi-dumi niya. Para kang, gus-gusin. Yung puti, oh. No!
Man.
Yeah!
Oh, man.
Yeah! What do you think? Puti pa naman.
Chimney swipe cleaner.
Ang dumi niya, oh. Sabi niya, may malaking nest daw dun sa may chimney. Did you see any birds, huh?
No, just a mess.
Just the nest. Oh, ang dumi-dumi niya, oh. Is Tommy done cleaning his?
We just done it.
Alright.
Just done it. I've still got the glasses and doors. Because Dad's got the swiper thing.
Dad?
Yeah, that's Dad's.
Oh, you borrow it from Dad? Okay. May hiniram siya kay Dad na panlinis sa chimney.
So why do it stop?
Tingnan nyo sila, oh. Binuksan na nila yung roll-ups.
Like strawberry jam, Bubba.
Ayan. Show it, Baba. Let me see, Baba. Tapos na sila kumain ng lunch. Nag-sandwich lang sila.
Daniel, what's that?
Para lang sila nag-grocery dito, oh. Galing yun dito. Ito kasing daddy, eh. Ay, your, wrapper. Can I try,
What's
Baba?
it like, Bubba?
Good. Can I have a try, please?
This is what she
Keep
does.
rolling it out, Zachary.
This is what she
Yum.
Not all of it, man.
Kuya.
Yeah.
Ilagay niya. O, yan ang itsura niya. Wait, Baba. Zach, let me see. Yan ang itsura niya. Tapos i-roll up mo siyang ganon.
I want to roll it.
Alright.
That's called a roll up, sacky boy. Alright, no, for it. Yeah.
Tapos tutulungan niya yung friend niya, si Bryce, yung kahapon, maglinis ng chimney. So, ganun lang dito, guys, tulungan. Tapos na kay Tommy, tapos nandito sa amin. Doon naman siya kay Bryce. Kasi isasauli ni Jan yung, ayun yung slice. Isasauli niya yung kay Dad, yung hiniram niyang panlinis sa chimney.
Where are you going?
Bryce. Wow! Naligo na sila ng daddy niya. And, siya nagpili ng kanyang susuotin.
Pockets.
Yes, you do have pocket. That t-shirt was for,
Him, then make.
yeah, kay Kuya TJ, and then kay Sak and Holly.
That's a word.
And ayan si Johnny Boy, nagpapahinga na siya kasi pagod siya. Naglinis siya ng tapos sa labas. Did you brush your hair, Baba? Good girl. Did you put lotion? Did you put lotion?
Yeah.
Let me smell you.
One to get more credit.
Lotion. Ay, ang bango ng mo.
What are you eating?
Nothing.
I just made a bit.
I'm eating the leftover chicken from last night. It's gone. Inisprayhan ko tong fridge namin kasi marami namang fingerprints. Ito yung gamit ko, yung pure wax. Ginagamit ko to sa glass pero ginagamit ko rin dito sa stainless namin na fridge kasi maganda rin siya dito and hindi madali malagyan ng fingerprints. Yung mga bata andun, naglalaro sila ng PS4. Ang dali lang. Punasan ko lang to. Ayan, napunasan ko na siya. Mukha lang siya marumi tingnan kasi magasgas na tong fridge namin. And ito yung pinangpunas ko. And tingnan nyo guys, pag linagay ko tong kamay ko dito, pasensya nyo ng kamay ko ha, mayroon pa siyang nail polish. Hindi siya magbabakat. Hindi siya magkakaroon ng fingerprints. Diba? Ayan, tingnan nyo. Meron ba? Wala, diba? So, hindi siya agad-agad nagkakaroon ng fingerprints pag pinunasan. And, yeah. So, kaya, yun ang ginagamit ko lagi. Kaysa doon sa, meron talagang panlinis dito, kaso yun oily, and then, hindi ko siya masyadong gusto. Eto ba? So, eto yung panglinis ko talaga dyan sa fridge. Eto yung Viva Stainless Steel. Ayan, hindi ko siya ginagamit na, not unless maubos yan. Eto pa, meron pang isang, dikita na nga sila eh. Ayan, nasa nawala na yung ano niya. Eto din yung isa, oh. Nawala na yung takip niya. So, hindi ko to ginagamit kasi oily siya and, yeah, greasy. Pero nakakakintab talaga siya ng fridge. Pero, madali siyang malagyan ng fingerprints pag yan ang ginagamit ko dito. Eto hindi, oh. Oh, diba? Madulas. Eto pala, nabili to ni Jan. Isa ito sa mga nadadaanan namin pag pumupunta kami sa Adelaide, isa sa mga gasolinahan. Then, sabi ko diyan kunan niya ako ulit and yeah, marami siyang binili nito kasi doon niya lang to nabibili. Wala nito sa ano sa Coles or sa Woolies. Ewan ko, baka sa mga gasolinahan lang, not sure. Basta yan, pure wax. Made in US. Ayan oh. And may customer na agad ako sa ref. What are you doing? Ah, kunin ko pala yung nasan yung ito yung dinner namin ngayon. Yung steak na dapat kahapon ko lulutuin, hindi natupad. So, ngayon yan lulutuin. Etong gloves, itatapon ko na to kasi napapasukan na siyang tubig. Napapansin ko, nababasa na yung right hand ko pag etong ginagamit ko. May binili ako nung isang araw na gloves. Saan ka gloves? Dito yon. Ayan, eto. Parang parang mas maliit to. Mas shorter. Ito mahaba kasi to eh. Tingnan natin. M yung size niya. Pero feeling ko maliit siya. Hindi maliit, maiksi. Oo nga, maiksi siya oh. And parang manipis. Ansel din naman to. Pareho lang naman yung brand pero mas malaki siya and mas makapal. Ayan. So, okay yun.
Look at that.
Para pa naghuhugas tayo. Ay, what are you doing, Yuto? Itapon ko na to and hugasan ko to and magluluto na ako ng dinner.
That's a noodle.
Yeah. Can you put this in the bimbaba, please? Thank you.
Is that a noodle?
This one, please. Thank you.
Is that noodle?
I got a new one here. That one is not good no more. Oh, put it in the bin, please. Thank you.
Like hash it.
Yeah.
It's real good.
Yeah, put it in the bin. Thank you, Holly. Naghuhugas ako. What?
I'm stuck.
You're stuck.
I'm falling.
You're falling. And then may sinasabi siya. What did you say to me before, Baba?
I'm stuck.
No, not that one. Before that. What did you say? I have to what?
That's mine.
Baba, I have to what?
You have to buy more biscuit in here. I think so.
Oh, wala na raw kasi. Wala na raw dito, guys, na biscuit.
Wait.
Here. Kasi ubos na, oh. Ubos na. Who finished it all?
Mary and Zach and Kuya TJ.
Who's Sak? Kuya Sak. Ay, okay, bibili. Oh! Pick it up, Baba. Pick that one, please.
Oh my God, that was louder.
That was loud. There's one more there. Nanonood kami ng news kasi nga tumataas na yung mga nagkakaroon din ng virus dito sa South Australia. And ito pala yung partner dun sa steak. Magbo-broccoli, mashed potato, tapos magluluto ako ng rice.
There are now 33 testing centres around SA, and the Premier claims we have the highest testing rates in the country.
We have now conducted 17,800
In South Australia, processing time within SA pathology continues to come down, with tests through the laboratory now in 21 hours. But there are calls for more testing to be done. Senator Rex Patrick, who has the virus, only found out he had it because his doctor ignored the protocols to get him a test.
Steam ko na pala yung broccoli. And nagpapakulo na ako doon ng potato. And etong bata, tingnan nyo,
What
nag-eat
is
siya.
this?
That's broccoli, Baba.
I
And
like it.
I know you do. You can have some. And hinihiwa ko yung steak. Good, Baba?
Down with severe restrictions. Will they be replicated here? See the full story.
Where's your ipit? I told you to get ipit. Many times. Ha? Yun na, gising eh.
Charity workers give doctors and nurses special care packages. Current affairs tonight. That matches 40 minutes.
Ito, taba. Tapo natin.
Save up to 50% of all mattresses in our black hair range. But hurry,
Sabi ko kay Kuya TJ, magdaan. What steak this one, honey? For the house? And sabi ko pala kay Kuya TJ, hindi kami ngayon magra-rice. Magma-mashed potato. Kasi yung rice namin, yung kahapon, yung kabubukas ko lang, ayan, kalahati na. Isang luto na lang siguro yun or dalawa. Depende kung gaano sila kalakas kumain ng kanin. Ay, Papa?
Yup.
Tignan niyo. Oh. Mabubusog ka na niyan, Baba.
Huh?
Mabubusog ka na niyan.
Baby.
Yeah. You're gonna be full before our tea.
and support. Talk to the trusted advisors at NBC Financial Services.
Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Tatanggalin ko rin tong tabang to. Kasi tingnan nyo. Ang taba niya. Wow. Hey, hey, hey. That's enough. Please. Saki. Hindi na kayo kakain ng dinner. Ikaw ba't tinawag si Kuya Sak? Damay ka pa talaga. Kasi gusto ko sabay-sabay kumain. Si Mama, baka busog na naman siya. What are you doing, Baba? Tingnan niyo yung taba. Ang taba. Ayan na rin si Kuya. Favorite din nila kasi ang broccoli.
My favorite.
Isa sa mga favorite nila yun. Aside sa carrots, broccoli, yan ang mga kinakain nilang vegetables. Okay na to. May mali pa pala ako. Tingnan nyo yung taba. Ang dami kong natanggal na taba. Ang kapal, oh. So, ayan. Tapos ko na hiwain yan. Lalagyan ko lang siyang salt and pepper and then garlic powder. Kasi naubusan ako ng pepper steak. Naglagay na ako ng olive oil tsaka butter dito. Yung mga bata nasa labas.
Don't worry, darling. Just smile, 'cause you're by my side. Now your eyes open up every morning to the love that shines in mine. And I see it in yours too. So now I sing to you. And when you go, leave me here.
Ayaw niya talagang tumigil. Paubos na ang broccoli namin bago pa kayo mag-dinner. Ayun na si Sak. Kumuha siya.
All alone, I'll be waiting. We can make it because I know.
Ito na yung steak natin. Ngayon, naghiwa ko ng sibuyas. Ilalagay ko to kung saan ko niluto yung steak. Tapos lalagyan kong gravy. Hiniwa ko ng malilit yung steak para sa mga bata. So, yan na yung ating stir-fry broccoli with steak. Yung kay Jan, hindi ko sinabay dito kasi Wala lang. Siya nang bahala. May sauce naman siya. Nag-separate ako ng sauce para sa kanya. Okay na yan. So, eto na yung dinner nila, guys. May konti pa palang tirang rice. So, eto, linagyan ko sila ng rice. Ayan, kay Kuya, Zach, Holly. Hi, Baba. And this is kay, kay John.
Wash my hands.
I know you did. Here na. Yeah, that's your. You're welcome.
Steak.
Yes, it is steak.
Steak.
Where's your ipit?
I don't want it.
Honey, come on. Hurry up. You hurry up. Ito yung sauce niya, oh. So, yan sa kanya. Ano pala niya?
Where's mine?
That's your papa. Daddy, oh.
Oh, this one mine there.
Yeah, that's your. No, this is.
Okay.
Kuya. Welcome.
Have they got gravy?
Yeah, they do, huh?
Oh, thanks, bud. That was a great meal tonight, yeah.
Whatever.
Very healthy, though.
I know, it's healthy.
I need forks.
Man. How's the potato, honey? Good? Yeah.
That's
I need forks.
Here, Baba.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome. You need a spoon as well. Give me that, Kuya. Good, Zach?
not that.
You like it?
Got too much in your mouth, Zachary.
But this is
You're welcome. Say kain, Baba.
kind.
No, you got your sauce, Baba. Here's your gravy.
I can't dip it. I can't dip it.
What you gonna say? Say kain. Yun si Kuya. How is it, Kuya? Gustong-gusto niya yung, onions. I put onions there, Kuya.
Take broccoli too.
That's right. Eat your broccoli. He's been eating broccoli.
Broccoli.
Do you want, Kuya? More rice? More rice kay Kuya. Ito na lang yung natitira sa rice ko. Sinimot ko na dun yung rice. Here, Kuya. Kuya.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome. Ito na lang yung natitira sa broccoli. Halos yung matitigas na lang yung natira. And ayan yung steak. Hindi pa naman ako gutom, so mamaya na lang ako kakain. Sila na lang muna. How is it, Baba? Good? You like it?
Yeah.
Good. Kamustahin natin sila. Ayun si Jan. Nangangapit bahay ng broccoli. Ubus na, oh.
No, that's not.
Ano pa si Kuya ng kanin. Wow, Sak! Good job! Tingnan niyo yung kay Sak, oh. Oh, diba? Mayroon pa siyang pa deep dyan. How about you, Baba? Good? Good.
I don't do a different deal.
Oh, good. Si Jan patapos na, oh. Good job, honey.
That's right.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Good job. Si Kuya, gusto pa ng steak. You're done, Sak? Ayan, tapos na rin si Sak. Si Kuya, gusto niya pa ng steak. Holly, sit down. Yes, I'll give you...
Snake.
You want this?
Some steak.
Okay.
I want some white tail.
It's alright there, Baba. Here, oh. Steak, Baba. Ano sasabihin?
I just
Onions? Where? Gusto niyang sibuyas. Okay? No, sorry. So, eto. Akin to mamaya. Pagkatapos nilang kumain, ayon. Andyan na naman sila sa labas. It's cold, Baba.
It's not really can't go outside.
Ha?
No, John, you can't go outside with your camera.
Why?
The truck was
Mom, I can lift up the back tire.
Where is the chicken?
I can lift up the back wheel.
Oh, Sak, you're swimming. Kuya,
Pick it up.
where is the...
It's around the side. It's around the side.
Mayroong manok na nakapasok dito, yes?
Lift up my back tire.
Okay. Where's the manok?
Look, Mom.
We can't go the trucks.
No, I always...
I don't think so.
Stay there.
Wow. Tapos siya pupunta doon, tinanong. Hi, kakakain nyo lang. Tingnan nga natin yung manok. Sa kapitbahay yun, dyan kila Tommy. Where Kuya Sak? Andun siya, guys. Oh. Andito. Wait. Lumipa. Andun. Why?
Chick will eat you out.
No, who said that? Who said that the chick will eat me? Andun na siya, oh. Ang laki niya. itim na parang may pagka-green. Ayun na siya. Oh, no, Zach. Natatakot siya. Come on, let's go. Let's go inside. Maghugas na. Maghugas na ako. Stop running. You just had tea. Okay. Tingnan daw natin si Kuya. Okay. That's it, Kuya. Go. I'm cold. Hurry up. Okay.
Like me.
I can't do it.
Okay.
Look, look me. Dad, what's this? What's this?
Oh, so careful. Oh, kakamay.
How do you do it?
You said you know how to do it.
Like my feet.
Oy, what's that?
He had that crunch.
Kinuha niya na yung crunch na pinalamig niya kahapon. There si Holly. There si Holly.
Wait, look.
There si Holly. Magugas na ako. Sabi ko ako magugas kasi kagabi, di ba? Did you wash the dishes last night, Han?
Yeah, I did. Check the video, Bago. You'll see it.
Oh, yeah. Nagugas pala siya kagabi na. Kaya naman kung pahuhugasin ko pa siya ngayon. So, maghugas tayo. Sabi ni Jan na makakakuha siya ng more than 2 pieces or 2 cans ng baked beans. And nakakuha siya ng 2 ganito. At saka isang ganito, guys. O, tatlo to sa isang pack. So, meron kaming 5 baked beans. So, pinayagan siya kung hindi kahapon kasi 2 lang yung pwedeng kunin ko. Pag ganitong beans, dapat 2 lang. Pineapple, 2 lang. Pero hindi ako nakakuha ng baked beans kahapon kaya si Jen ang pinakuha ko ngayon. So, yun. May 5 tayo. And kumuha siya ng isang pancake. So, yun na yung vlog natin, guys, for today. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Ingat, guys. Thank you. Bye. Stay home. Bye.